All right, and finally we have the last hard lab left, which is pokhara SSH and other shenanigans. Let's see. Let's read the problem description. A user client was added to the server as well as their SSH public key. The objective is to be able to SSH locally. There is only one server as this user client using their SSH key. This is if as root you change to this user, you should be able to log in with SSH localhost. This is if as root you change to this user. So there is a test. Let's actually check this test, and this should return home client. Okay. Let's actually see what it returns. Now it's actually saying remote host identification has changed. Someone could be eavesdropping on you right now, man in the middle attack. That's great. Man in the middle attack. It's also possible that the host key has just been changed. Okay. Add correct host keys in home to get rid of this message. Okay, let's do this. Remove with, let's try this thing. Oh wait, I have to be sudo. Now one of them, host localhost found. So yeah, let's type yes, and we get failed to add the host to the client localhost permission denied. What's wrong this time? What is wrong this time? So apparently we managed to actually get through the first level, which was like man in the middle attack. Now we need to probably review the service configuration, which is I have to do everything as sudo right now, right? SSH and no wait. There is SSH config. Is it this one? Damn, I actually hate that it has so many different config files. Why not put everything in the same line? I don't know. There's SSH config. I think it's config D. Wait. There is this. Which one is this? Which one is this? Is it actually like? Wait, there is SSH. Then there's gotta be. Let me actually just go into this SSH and review everything there is. SSH config D. Yeah, satconf. So because this is SAT service, I assume this is actually satconf that I have to look into this. Obviously not just as a user, but as a sudo. And I see there's deny users client. It's denying exactly which the user that I don't want to see here. It's denying me basically. It's denying my client. So I have to delete it. Okay, let's run again our test, and it should return home client. It probably will not return. It's saying permission denied. Oh wait, we actually have to. I forgot to restart SSH. Yeah, and yeah, we do it as sudo. Let's do it again. Now it's saying warning: unprotected private key file are too open. So if it is too open, permission 064. So we have to probably change the permissions to read only for the home client. Yeah, let's change the permissions to read only. Now let's try it again. Now it's saying connection closed. Your account has expired. Please contact your system administrator. Your account is expired. Usually whenever we see such problem, we have to change the age Or let's actually look for our client in the etc shadow, as this is the place where all of those things are located. Yeah, we have client 0. So this should not be set to so we changed the age of the client as a super user to be non-expirable. Okay, now let's do it again. I think we're getting failed to add the host to the list of known hosts. Exec request failed on channel 0. What is this thing? This is probably something like this probably has to deal with some kind of security limits. Etc. Security. Yeah, you have to know where all of this stuff is located, right? Conf. Okay. Yeah, this line right there. Hard and proc, because it said it sets the value to 0 basically. We don't want this. Now let's try to run it again. This account is currently unavailable. Why? Why? There is this command that says let's logins client, and yeah, it says user has been no login. So it does not allow to log in. We want to change it. Again, we have to do it as user mode and bin bash. I think bash is a good client. Wait, did it actually work? Sudo. Oh no, we have to specify the client. Yeah, I think we have circumvented all of the problems, and it's returning home client. Let's see. Incorrect. Why? Probably because I keep adding this. I have to add this line, right? Are you sure you want to continue connecting using fingerprint? I keep I have to continue like inserting yes. I have to continue entering yes here, which is not what I want. I want this to be actually, yeah, I want to delete this entire home client known host thing. Let's see. Permanently added. Yeah, solution is correct. 7 minutes, 0 clues. Great. So yeah, actually, SSH has so much stuff, to be honest. SSH has so many little things, and all of these config files are actually located like in all of these different places. They're scattered everywhere, which is kind of sucks. Yeah, so you have to know SSH really well, and whenever you change the settings, you have to restart it. Cheers.